Hey, this is Michael with Explorers R Us. Today I actually want to put on my other cap, my Cycling Explorer cap, because we're going to get ready for summer, and to do that I need to start working on my legs. So being that it's February, early February here in Washington, it's still a little cold but not impossibly cold. So I will be taking this inside, but what I want you to do is to grab yourself a 2x4 or 2x8, and we're going to put just our toes on that plank, and we're going to move our legs up and down. It works amazingly well, especially if you want to go and do some hiking, as I will be doing here in a couple of months, as well as cycling. So let's head back in where it's a little bit warmer, and I'll show you how to do these. So I've placed the 2x8 or a 2x4 on the ground, and all you're going to do is you're going to put your toes on it, and that's it. So that your heels are still touching the ground. The idea is to raise the heels off the ground. So you're going to do this 3 times or 3 sets. So don't go too far, too many on the first try. You're never going to make it on the third one, because it gets a lot harder on the third try. Trust me. So all you do is you just raise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then give it a 2, 3, 4 minute rest and repeat. That's all you have to do. It's not hard, but it does help you if you want to do any climbing, any hiking, any biking, anything where you really have to use your legs, but you want to use the calves specifically. This is Michael with Explorers R Us, signing off.